Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is about holiday season, right around Christmas, so if you celebrate, of course, Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. I am getting ready to get into pretty much a Christmas present I got for myself here. I've got some custom taillights to throw onto the Camaro, so I'm going to go ahead, unbox them, and show you guys what I got. Alrighty, got the box open. Let's see what we got inside here. I see they package them nice. Thank you. Oh yeah. Alright. Nice and wrapped up. Sweet wiring. Everything all good to go. Ready to be plugged in. That's awesome. Alright guys, so super cool. Basically the halos are going to take place of the little third light that's out here, kind of like what I have on my car now. Everything else, they're all just going to plug into these spots, so that will work nicely. I will go ahead and rip the wrap off here. Look at that. Just how I like them, blacked out. Very nice. Looks like he used a pretty good material. Now I did get these from a guy that is custom making them. He's been doing it for a little while now. His username on Instagram is rr.carcustoms. He's a super good dude. He got me these, got them taken care of. He's always willing to try new things, so I mean, if you come up with some cool ideas, you gotta let him know. He's starting to get into a lot of G-body things. He's kind of ending his whole F-body thing, so if you are planning on getting him, he does plan to still make stuff like this on occasion, so go follow him on Instagram. I'll put him in the bio. I'll put his bio in my description, and you guys just got to go check it out because he makes some awesome stuff. I've already gotten stuff from him before. The turn signal lenses that I got, the little kind of like the LED strip and their sequential turn signals, got those off of him. Awesome work. They work great. They look great. So definitely check him out because he has some really nice stuff that he makes. And you know, it's just a small business guy, so always go support your small businesses. Let's go ahead and we'll throw them on and get into that. Alright, so just to give some insight of what I already have, I have them already pretty much blacked out with the vinyl and everything, just the same, except these ones, the light is like this, which it's just the Euro style, which I don't mind. I like them. I mean, I think they're okay. I only like them whenever they're blacked out though, and you can't see the actual inside of here and everything. But right there is what basically these are, except they're just custom to kind of look different. So I can't wait to see the difference though. So this is what we're gonna start with, and let's go ahead and switch that up. So in case you're not familiar with doing taillights on these cars, it is so ridiculously easy. All you literally have to do is pull back the carpet thing here, and you're gonna have your little screws here. So what I like to do, and what's easiest, go ahead and just take this out of the way, pull the whole piece out. It's literally just clips. So come right up out. Just watch you don't break clips, and try to be somewhat cautious. Just like that. You'll have this speaker, which is like kind of a nuisance. Luckily mine, the way it came is it's not really bolted correctly, so it's kind of beneficial for me. But right there is one, so you just disconnect it. Alright, and this little wire I have here is a reverse light thing I have, which is down here. That's just mounted in there, so you guys won't have that. I did, but you guys won't have that. So go ahead and remove those. Right there is what they look like. I mean, that's all you need is your hand, and you only have two. So then the other one is going to be back here. Let's see if I can get my light in there. And right up top there. That's it. So go ahead, remove those, and we'll get the taillights off. And voila, they're pulled out. So now you just unplug each of your connectors. Here's just a rough look of what they will end up looking like. This will be like daytime running lights, just like that. I think it looks super nice. And then, so the only thing here is you're gonna take out your last bulb, right? And you're gonna basically plug the halos into that. So I have white bulbs. That's not gonna work for these. You have to have red. So I have to go out here and grab some red LEDs, and I'm only gonna plug in the one that works as a brake, and I'm probably gonna cut the function for it running all the time and just leave the one so it only works as a brake. So basically this would be my running lights all the time, and then if I hit the brake, and the brake will activate. So that's the way I'm gonna do it. I will try and show how I achieve it, but as of now, I'm super stoked about this. I think they look awesome, so very happy with it. All right, so you take that out, and then you have your other one here. Now, here's the big kicker, is you have two wires that go to this one, right? That's just a running light. This one here has 3 wires. So this gray wire in the middle, right here, where it connects, that one is for your running lights. So if you disconnect that wire, it'll turn the bulb off while the lights, like just your running lights, are on, but it will still work whenever you hit the brakes or if you turn on your flashers. So let me show you. Okay, so I have another thing to show here. So because I want my wiring to work so that only the halos will be my daytime running lights, what I have to do is I actually have to take the bulb out of your one beside your spot for the reverse light. So here's with my running lights on. I have this one not cut yet, and this one I do. So this one is not working. See, I have the wire cut right here. So obviously cover that up or something, because you don't want that to just like arc on something. But so all you'll do is you'll cut that, and that'll cut the power. But if I were to hit my signals, now they're both lighting up. So that's all you have to do. Just cut the middle wire and you'll be all right. And then I will show you what it looks like at the end then, whenever you do that. Alrighty guys, then of course whenever you're done, go ahead, throw them back in, and then use your little pins or your little screws, hand screws, tighten them back down, and that's pretty much it. Then you just put your panels back on. You know, you just go to the reverse order. I'm super happy with them, and I'll definitely have to get some nice videos with them on it because I am in love with them. So definitely worth the buy. Very happy with them. Alrighty guys, so this is what it will look like with just the running lights. I think they look great. I'm super stoked. I think that's sick. So there's that, and then I'll show you kind of what they look like with a signal on. And there's what they will look like with the signal on, or the brakes. I might end up wiring it up to get it so that 2 bulbs will go as brakes. I'll just do probably both of these together. I feel like then maybe that would just help out a little bit with the look, but overall I'm super happy. Thank you again to RR Car Customs on Instagram for getting me this. He's always able to set me up pretty well. But I'm super stoked with them. And definitely finishes the look of this car. I'm very happy with it. So again, check him out. Send him a message if you want to get stuff done. I'm trying to keep him into the F-body stuff, man. He's trying to get out of it, but he makes really good F-body stuff. I've been super happy with them. Super happy with these. I think they're great. The build is pretty good, pretty solid. So yeah, I'm very happy with them. And that is it for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you guys are interested in getting a set of these, because I'm sure he can set you up. They are a little bit on the pricey side, but you get what you pay for. I'm just super happy that I was able to get them. I've wanted these pretty much since I got the car, and finally I just broke down and decided to get them, and I'm so happy I did. They look great. So anyways, you guys, thank you for watching. Y'all have a great day, great holiday, and stay safe out there, especially all the locals. I know there's snow and ice and stuff going on. So everybody take care. Stay tuned for the next video, and I will see you in the next video.